Do you know you're already qualified to start an online business that makes an extra $1,000 a month with just your smartphone? You don't need to learn coding. You don't need to spend thousands on a new certification. The most profitable skill you have are the ones you have been using for free your entire life. And today I'm going to help you find them. But if you're meeting me for the first time, I am Ben Power. On this channel, I test strategies, tools, and ideas that can help you grow, earn, and succeed online. My approach is simple. I try it first, and once I know it works, I bring it here to share with you step by step. So whether you're looking to make money online, grow your digital skill, or find new opportunities, you are in the right place. If that sounds like what you need, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join a community of people who are ready to take action and win. So many of us believe that to make real money online, we need to become some kind of expert in a super technical field, but that's not the truth. The truth is, a profitable online business is not about being the best in the world at something. It's about being one step ahead of the person you are helping. It's about providing a skill that saves someone else money, stress, or time. The goal of this video is to turn you from a person with hobbies into a person with a business. So if you're ready, grab a pen and a paper because we are about to do a deep dive into your personal good mind of skills. All right, we are going to explore 3 areas of your life where your profitable skills are hidden. Let's start with the most obvious ones. First of all, your job skills. Think about your day job. What tasks do you do that seems easy or boring to you? I guarantee you, people are willing to pay for them. Are you a person who organizes the team's calendar? That's an virtual assistant service. Do you write emails? That's a copyright service. Do you create presentations? That's a slide deck design service. Do you manage spreadsheets? That's a data entry and management service. Do you onboard new employees? That's a corporate training service. Don't discount this. Just because you get paid a salary to do them doesn't mean you can't get paid by a small business owner who hates doing them by themselves. All right, the next one is your hobby skills. What do you do for fun that other people find difficult? This is where the real passion comes in. Do you love editing videos for fun? That's a YouTube, TikTok video editor service. Are you great at planning vacations? That's a traveling planner service. Do you love organizing closets or kitchens? That's a virtual home organization consultation service. Do you know how to build a great workout plan? That's a fitness coach service. These are things you probably do for free. That's a huge sign that it's a skill you can and should sell. Finally, what do your friends and family always ask you for help with? Are you a person they call to proofread their resume? Help them set up a new iPhone? Figure out what to wear for a big event? Give them dating advice? These are your most natural talents. They are highly profitable because they solve real problems. Okay, now you should have a list of potential skills. The next step is to turn that raw skill into a professional service. Pick your favorite skill from your list and try to frame it as a solution right now. Now let's talk about the money. $1,000 a month sounds like a lot, but let's break it down. It is so much more achievable than you think. To make $1,000 a month, you only need 4 clients paying you $250 a month for an ongoing service, 10 clients paying you $100 a month for a smaller tax, or just one-off project that you charge $500. When you see the number like that, it suddenly feels real, doesn't it? It's not a pipe dream, it's just a math problem. The entire point of this video is to show you that you are sitting on a good mind of talent, you are more skilled, more capable, and more ready to start a business than you think you are. You just need a new way to look at the skills you already have. So now, I have a very important question for you. What is that one skill you realize you can sell? Drop it in the comments below. I'm not asking for a business plan, just the skill. Let's feed the comments with inspiration and prove how talented this community is. And if this video helped you, please hit that like button and make sure you subscribe, because in our next video, we are going to take that skill you just identify and I will show you exactly where to find your first paying client. Thank you for watching. Stop doubting yourself and start building. See you in my next video.